Okay, guys. So we start now. Okay, so guys, this is the first question. Soalan pertama for paper 2 at maths. Okay, so when you guys see this question, all of you here, what chapter is this? Can you all tell me? Soalan ni dari bab mana? Always when you answer admaths question, you must identify what chapter is the question come from, guys. Kamu kena tahu setiap soalan tu datang dari bab apa. Okay, so this one is Form 4 Chapter 3. Okay, this is your system of equation, guys. Persamaan serentak. Okay, so guys, you see the question. Question say use elimination method. Kamu kena guna kaedah penghapusan. So guys, can I use substitution? If the question say like this, boleh tak saya guna penggantian? Yes or no? Remember cannot Yes, very good. Tak boleh. Okay, because question already specific, guys. Question already say hanya boleh guna penghapusan. Okay, you only can use elimination. So that's why it's important for you guys to master both methods. Okay, kamu kena kuasai dua-dua. Penghapusan, penggantian. Okay, you must master both. Elimination, substitution, both also you must know how to do. Okay, guys? All right. Okay, so how to do elimination here? Okay, elimination, very simple, guys. Senang. Okay, you first try to check and see, guys. You see these three equation. What is the thing you see common in these three equation? Apa yang kamu nampak serupa? Yes, you see a plus y, you see a minus y, right? So, apa yang saya boleh buat, guys, untuk hapuskan y? What can I do to eliminate y? This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So, should I plus or minus? Tambah atau tolak? Yeah. Okay, you should tambah, guys. Okay, you must plus. Okay, means you plus these two equation. Okay, because plus and minus is minus. Okay, so y minus y, 0. So automatically you hapuskan y. And then, what can you guys do? Okay, you need to do elimination the second time. Okay, satu kali lagi kamu kena buat penghapusan. So, you guys see over here, y and 2y. So guys, what can I do to the second equation over here? Anyone? Yeah, saya boleh darab 2, guys. I can times 2. Okay, so if I times 2, what do I get? I get 6x minus 2y minus 8z equal to 14, right? So I call this equation 4. Number 4. Okay, yang keempat. Okay, so I minus with 5x plus 2y. Sorry, plus. Okay, I need to plus. Okay, because it's negative positive. So plus this third equation. So I call this number 5. Understand, guys? Jelas? Can you see the concept? What I'm doing here? So then you can eliminate lah, guys. Hapuskan y. You already potong. So from the first two equation and the second two equation, you actually get two equation in term of x and z, guys. Kamu dapat dua persamaan x dan z. So you can do elimination for the third time. Buat kali penghapusan yang ketiga. Okay, so you guys can see the method over here. Okay, so for this question, they use the same method, 1 plus, wait, did I make mistake? Which one? 2 times 3. Kevin, I am timesing this equation by 2. Understand? So 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? Can? All right. Okay, so guys, this one, you just need to plus, like what I told you guys earlier, 1 plus 2, 1 tambah 2. So you guys see, this is your first equation. And then you take equation 2 times 2, 2 kali 2. So you get this. And then you take 5 plus 3, 5 tambah 3. So this is your second equation, guys. Persamaan kedua. Okay, so guys, if you focus here, these two equation, what can I eliminate here, guys? Can you tell me? Apa yang saya boleh hapuskan kat sini? X or Z? Which one should I eliminate? Yeah. So how to eliminate Z, guys? What is the step? Apa langkah dia? Okay, which equation times 2? 4 or 6? 4 atau 6 kali 2? Yes. You times this one by 2 lah, guys. Okay, so you get 10x minus 14z equal to 16. So, you plus or minus now? Tambah atau tolak? This one and this one. Yeah. Okay, wait. Are you sure plus? Betul kak? Betul tak? See carefully, guys. Minus 14z minus 14z. So, Actually, tolak guys, you must minus. Okay, because negative 14z minus negative. Negative, negative, positive kan? So negative 14z tambah 14z. Okay, so kosong lah. Terhapus. You already eliminate it. Okay, so then you can find the x value, right guys? Sudah dapat jawapan. Okay, so you can see your x answer is actually 3. This is the first answer. And then how to find y and z, guys? May I know? Macam mana dapat y dan z? What is the concept? You got x already. So, yes, you just sub in any equation lah, guys. The simplest one is you just sub in anything over here. Ganti kat mana-mana tiga persamaan ni. Okay, or you guys can also sub over here. Okay, so that you can find your z. Okay, cari nilai z dulu. So you substitute inside number 6 or number 5. Okay, 6 atau 5 boleh lah. Anything. Okay, so you get the z equal to 1 and then you sub in another equation, ganti dalam satu lagi, you get y equal to negative 2. Understand guys? How to get your x, y, z? Jelas? Do you see the concept? Okay, this kind of question, right guys, the method is very open one. Kaedah yang kamu guna boleh jadi apa-apa. Doesn't mean it must follow this method. Kamu tak semestinya kena ikut 100% jalan kira ni. Faham tak? Okay, you can use any method you like. Apa-apa kaedah pun boleh. Asalkan jawapan sama. Faham atau tidak? Your answer must be the same. That's the most important thing. Okay, method, we don't care one. As long can get this answer, you're good already. Okay? So let's say guys, from these 3 equation, right? Suddenly I say, I want to eliminate x guys. Can or not? What do you think? Kalau saya nak hapuskan x, boleh tak? If I ask you guys a question. Yes, can. If I want to eliminate z, can or not guys? Kalau saya nak hapuskan z, boleh tak? Yeah, can. So basically you have already 3 methods over here. 3 kaedah. You either choose x, y or z. So depend on you lah. Bergantung mana yang kamu suka. Okay, there is no right or wrong. Tak ada betul salah. Just your preference. Okay? So understand guys, so total of this question is 6 marks. 6 markah. So should be quite easy to score lah. Very straightforward. Okay? Where can I get the recording? You must PM me later. Okay, you must PM my WhatsApp number. Then I will add you to my group. Then you can see recording. Okay? Alright. So guys, this question. Okay, they ask you to write the quadratic equation in this format. This one. Okay, so this format is called what guys? May I know? If you still remember. Format ni dipanggil apa? Anyone? Yes. Okay, this is called as vertex form. Very good. Okay, bentuk vertex. Very good. Okay, so guys, can I ask you, your p value over here, what does it represent? Oh, lucky you never say. Okay, what is the p value represent, guys? Apa nilai p? Yes. Okay, remember guys, p value is your axis of symmetry. Okay, Parksy symmetry. Or you can say minimum point coordinate lah. Okay, you can say x coordinate of maximum point. In this case, is maximum. Okay, coordinate x bagi PT maximum. Okay, and then this one, the q guys, what does q represent? Anyone? Q tu mewakili apa? What do you guys think? Vertex form. Yes. Okay, it represents actually the y coordinate. Okay, of maximum point. Okay, so you guys must know what the equation means lah. Okay, kamu kena tahu maksud persamaan vertex tu. Alright. So this is the concept. Okay. Guys, not y-intercept Jangan salah faham Q ni bukan pintasan y It is y coordinate. Coordinate y saja. Bukan pintasan y. Faham tak? Hani. Okay, make sure you understand is the y coordinate of maximum point. So, example, let's say I draw a graph, right guys? Macam ni. So, the point here is actually negative PQ. Understand guys? Can you see? I actually get it from the vertex form. Saya dapat dari bentuk ni. X plus P, I make it equal to 0. So, X is negative P. That's why negative P saya letak sini. Faham tak? And then Q, is over here, maximum point. Okay, or I can say maximum value lah, nilai maximum. Alright. Another term for the Q, right, guys, is called as maximum value. Take note. Sometimes question will use this term, nilai maximum, merujuk kepada nilai Y sahaja. Ingat. Okay, maximum value or minimum value, you see the Y value. Okay. Okay, let's check and see. Okay, guys. So this is called general form, right, guys? Bentuk am. So, guys, general form to vertex form. What is the method I must use? All of you. Apa kaedah yang saya kena guna? Bentuk am kepada bentuk vertex. Anyone? Yes. You must use completing the square. Okay, in BM is called penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Okay, CTS ataupun PKD. So, guys, first step. Can anyone tell me what is the first step of your CTS? All of you. Short form, guys. Bagi paling pendek. Apa langkah pertama? PKD. Anyone? Yes. You must make A equal to 1. Correct. Okay, nilai A kena 1. Okay, so you factorize the negative lah. Correct. Okay, kamu keluarkan simbol negatif. Okay. Second step. What is second step? Langkah kedua. After you factorize. Okay, can. What's the second step? No. Yes. Okay, second step is plus B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Ingat, guys. Okay, the second step is you plus B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Okay. And then third step, langkah ketiga, what to do? What's the third step? Anyone know? Because you must get your answer in this form, guys. You must remember, kamu kena dapat jawapan macam ni. So, yeah, the third step is actually you do x square. Okay? Actually, I will write it like this lah, so that you guys understand. Basically, what you do is you combine the first term and the third term, guys. Okay, kamu gabungkan sebutan pertama dan sebutan ketiga. Yeah. Okay, so you can write it as x plus b over 2 square. Yeah, something like this. Okay? Yeah, correct. Okay? All right. And then the last step, guys, yang keempat, what is the final step that you must do? Always CTS got 4 steps, guys. PKD, saya ajar lah, ada 4 langkah. So what is the last step? Anyone? What you must do? Remember just now you factorize out negative, right, guys? Yes, correct. You times the A value, guys. Okay, kamu darab masuk nilai A tadi. Okay, because just now you factorize negative kan? So sekarang kamu darab negatif masuk. Okay, you put it back inside the bracket. Means you expand, guys. Kembangkan. Okay? Alright, so you guys can see the method over here. How to get the answer. Alright? So this is the CTS. Understand, guys? Faham kaedah dia? Okay, so this is your first step. And then, okay, this one actually step 2 plus step 1. Okay? And then this is step 3. This one is step 4. Okay? Dapat? So this is your plus B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Okay? Simple or not, guys? Senang tak? I think it's quite simple lah. Okay, straightforward. As long you don't do careless, should be okay. Alright, the next question. They ask you to state the equation of axis of symmetry, guys. Persamaan paksi symmetry. Anyone? What will be the answer? Okay, so you see your equation here. Then you can tell the answer. YC is negative 2. Kevin, your C is not this. Take note. This is not your C value. Can you understand? This is your maximum point only. So, what's the question? You get negative 2 because you expand. Positive. Are you sure? Positive 2 is inside the bracket. Kevin, can you see here? Positive 2, but actually must times negative. So negative, positive become negative. Understand? All right. Okay. Next one. Let me see, guys. Okay, yeah. Your axis of symmetry is 1. So how you get 1? X minus 1, you equal to 0 lah, guys. Sama dengan kosong. So your x value is actually 1. So this is the equation of axis of symmetry. Okay, paksi symmetry. All right. Okay, so what is the maximum or minimum value, guys? Can you tell me? Nilai maximum atau nilai minimum? You write like that wrong, guys. Cannot write as coordinate. Take note. Question never ask coordinate. They ask you minimum or maximum value. Tak perlu. You just show this step. Enough. How to get axis of symmetry, tunjuk macam ni. Cukup. Okay? Yes. The answer is -2, guys. Okay, you guys must say -2. Because this one is your maximum value, right? So you write maximum value equal to -2. Nilai maksimum sama dengan -2. Faham? Whenever they ask max or minimum value, you refer to over here, guys. Lihat nombor terakhir. Look at the n number. That is your maximum or minimum value. Vertex form. Okay? Can, guys? Clear? No problem? Jelas? So this is the concept. Okay, next one. Okay, so now come to part C. So part C, they tell you Gx is a reflection. Gx adalah pantulan fx. Okay, so you guys need to imagine reflection. Okay, so this is your x, this is y, this is 0. Okay, for fx, how does the graph look like? Macam mana graph dia nampak? Okay, so you guys actually know that the maximum point is 1, -2, right, guys? Okay, titik maximum 1, -2. Okay, so you guys can plot somewhere over here. So your graph is something like this. Am I right? This is your fx graph. Betul? Okay, this is 1, this is -2. Contoh. Okay, now you guys must reflect on the x-axis based on the question. Okay, pantulan pada paksi x. So your graph will basically terbalik lah, guys. Can you guys imagine it? It's like a mirror, cermin, terbalik. Yeah. So basically your A value and C value will change. Okay, nilai A dan nilai C akan berubah. So you just times the whole equation by negative, guys. Okay, so originally it's like this. So you just times by negative. So this will be your answer, guys. Okay, so you can expand lah, kembangkan. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, so wait. I think you don't need to write the equation. You just need to draw the graph. Let me see, guys, based on the question. Yeah, sorry. You just need to sketch the graph. Lakarkan saja. So no need to write the equation. Okay, lakar saja. Okay, so the scale not important, guys. Skala tak penting. So you guys just sketch only. Okay, you guys can see it become terbalik. Okay, so you notice, guys, your maximum point become a minimum point. Can you see that? Titik maksimum asalnya tukar jadi titik minimum. Kenapa? Bentuk dia berubah. It changed to like this. So maximum go to minimum. Understand? But the value is the same, guys. Coordinate dia masih sama. Can you guys see it? 1, -2, 1, 2. -2 become 2 because dia gerak ke atas. Okay, it come above the x-axis tadi. Sekarang dia atas paksi x. Sebelum dia bawah. Can you see that? From below x-axis to above x-axis. Yang lain semua sama lah. The rest all the same. Okay? Understand, guys? This question? How to solve it? C1? Good? All clear? Jelas, Okay. So now the question say, what is the turning point, guys, of the graph? Apa titik pusingan? Actually, no need to screenshot, guys. I will share the answer in the group one. Saya akan kongsi dalam WhatsApp saya, group saya. Okay, so kamu PM saya lah kalau nak jawapan. Okay, just PM my number. Okay, alright. Turning point, titik pusingan. Okay, so you guys just refer your graph. Okay, so basically the answer is just 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so remember, guys, turning point, titik pusingan refers to maximum point or minimum point. Max or min. Remember that. Okay? No. No need to do differentiation, guys. Okay. Saya bagi nombor saya lah, Ustaz, so that kamu ingat untuk PM nanti. Okay, saya ada group sendiri kat WhatsApp. So boleh PM nombor ni lah kalau nak jawapan atau apa-apalah. Okay, if you guys want the answer of this one or want to join my WhatsApp group, you just PM. Okay? Alright. So guys, this one. you cannot do differentiation over here. Take note. Just now I see people say dy dx equals 0. Kamu ingat boleh buat pembezaan. Sebenarnya tak boleh. Cannot. Why? Because the question says state, guys. Can you see ya? Soalan suruh nyatakan. Guys, nyatakan satu markah. One mark. One mark, kamu nak buat pembezaan ke? Am I right? You're not going to show all the step. Am I right? Just for one mark. Although the answer is the same, jawapan dia sama, tapi bazir masa. Am I right? Follow the mark, guys. Answer the question according to number of marks. Kamu jawab ikut markah. Kalau kamu rasa kamu ada banyak masa, kamu pergi buatlah pembezaan. Okay? Tengok kamu dapat jawapan sama tak. I don't think you guys got a lot of time. Am I right? When you do admaths exam, memang tak ada masa. So kalau kamu memang ada masa, okay, kamu cubalah kalau nak. Okay? You should get the same answer. Jawapan dia akan sama. Okay, you should still get 1, 2. Okay? Alright. So next one. Question number 3, guys. Okay. Come to your favorite topic, guys. What topic is this? Kamu nampak Raja macam ni, confirm is vector, guys. Form 4, chapter 8. So you must know your vectors. Alright? Okay. So for this one, guys, you just need to label your diagram. Vector question, right? You see information, terus label. OA equal to 4A. Okay, so you label OA is 4A. And then AX equal to B. Oh, easy, yeah. Then you answer lah the questions I ask. Okay, AX equal B. And then, okay, now they give ratio. Nisbah. 3BX is 2BA. OY equal to 3 over 4 OA. Okay, so you can solve this, right, guys? OY equal to 3 over 4 OA. So, OA, you have the answer, right? 4A. So, kamu gantikanlah. OA equal to 4A. So, answer is 3A. Maksudnya, OY is equal to 3A. Correct? So, this one is 3A. So, guys, YA, apa nilai dia? Automatically, YA. Total 4A, ada satu bahagian 3A, so satu lagi bahagian? Ya, you must write A ya. Jawapan dia adalah A. Okay, so YA sama dengan A. Alright? Okay, so now you guys can read the question. Okay, question asks you to find OX. Okay, OX. OX means this one lah. Yang ni. So you guys can get the answer, right? Senang. Am I right? OX is equal to what, guys? What is the combination? Yes. Okay, OA plus AX. Inilah gabungan dua vektor. So OA is 4A, AX is B. So this is your answer. Understand, guys? Dapat? That's all lah. That's how you answer. Okay, next one. BY. How to get BY? Okay, so BY dia kat sini. This one. BY. Okay, so OX you can label lah. 4A plus B. Okay, so for BY, kamu kena ada BA, right? So you can think of it. BY is equal to BA plus AY. Correct? But BA, kita ada info tak, guys? BA. You see carefully. BA no information, right? Tak ada. AY ada. Okay, but how to find BA? Very simple. Just use the ratio, guys. Guna nisbah yang soalan beri. 2BX is 3BX is 2BA. Okay, so BX, what is the value? BX. Mana X? Okay, so you need to use ratio concept lah, guys. Okay, so BX over BA is equal to 2 over 3. Setuju? Okay, BX over BA is 2 over 3. So means that BX 2 bahagian, BA 3 bahagian. Correct? Total here of BA is 3 parts. So guys, this B is how many parts? May I know? B ni ambil berapa bahagian? Yes. So means what can I say, guys? Apa yang saya boleh kata? BX, what will be the vector? Anyone? Yeah, 2 times lah, guys. 2 kali ganda. Can you see the ratio? BX is 2, XA is 1. So means that over here is 2B. Am I right? Because this one is just B. Understand? So that is the concept. Okay. Okay, one more thing you guys must take note. The direction. Arah. Okay, so the arah over here actually penting. Okay, so if you guys see, right, the direction is actually go up ke atas. So this one also actually must go up one. Kena ke atas. You must follow the direction. Remember, the ratio here follows the direction. Okay, nisbah kena ikut arah. Okay, so it's BX and BA. Okay, so yeah, you must reverse direction lah. Kena tukar arah. Or what you guys can do is you can do like this. Okay, BA, right guys? BA sama dengan apa? Okay, BA is actually BX plus XA, right? So you can write BX plus XA. XA how much, guys? XA is negative B kan? AX B, so XA negative B. Opposite direction. So tambah negative B. So tolak B lah. Am I right? So you can find BX, right guys? Kamu boleh cari nilai dia. Am I right? Okay, so 2BX minus 2B is equal to 3BX. I just cross multiply. Silang pangkah. Okay, so my answer is BX is negative 2B. Correct? So saya boleh plot lah. BX equal to negative 2B. Correct lah. So BX negative 2B. Okay. Wait, sorry. Dia lari. Okay. Negative 2B. Okay, so means this one. Okay, you can change lah guys. Kamu boleh tukar yang ni. You can write this as negative B. Okay, senang? So guys, what is your BY now? So BY, BA is negative 3B. Am I right? Total. And then plus AY. AY is negative A. Okay, negative A. Wait, okay, over here. Negative A. Understand, guys? Do you get the concept? So AY is like this. Opposite direction. Perlawanan arah. So negative A. Okay? Any problem, guys? This one? These two questions? Are you clear? Jelas how to solve it? Should be easy, right? Okay. Next one. Okay, so this question, guys. 6 marks, 6 markah. Okay, this kind of questions, a lot of people scared one. Dia takut. Okay, so never mind. Step by step. Okay, they tell OP is lambda OX. Okay, OP is lambda OX. Okay, so you guys can start with this information lah. Okay, OP equal to lambda OX. Okay, so OP, do we have information, guys? OP. OP no information, right? Kita tak tahu OP sama dengan apa. So, you guys must be smart a bit lah. Okay, kamu kena bijak sikit. Okay, so OP is actually equal to what? Anyone? OP equal to what? What you guys think? What is the combination of vector? Apa kombinasi dia? Based on the diagram. You guys must be smart a bit. OP sama dengan apa? Anyone? Got idea? Can you guys think and see? OY plus YP. Okay, Ken? OY plus YP, correct? Or you can say OB plus BP. Am I right? OB plus BP also can. OY tambah YP also can. So you got two options lah. You can choose one. Okay? So maybe I will choose anything also can. Okay, so I can find BY. You can find BY first, guys. Okay, BY. BY is equal to what? Okay, so based on the question, BY is BA plus AY, right? You guys have the answer here, right? So it's negative 3B minus A. Betul? Okay, BY is negative 3B minus A. Okay, so this is very useful lah, guys. Dia berguna. Okay, because this is the total. You see the ratio. They want you to find BP to BY, guys. Dia na nisbah yang ni. Okay? So later you can find out. Okay, so OP, OY plus YB is equal to lambda OX. OX, do we have answer, guys? Yes, part 1. What is the answer in part 1? Number 1, 4A plus B, right? So you guys substitute lah. 4A plus B. Okay, and then YB. YB kita ada info kan, guys? Okay, we have information. By is negative 3b minus a. So YB, 3b plus a. Am I right? Because negative. Okay, opposite direction. Berlawanan arah. Okay, so become positive. Okay, so your answer is 4 lambda A plus lambda B. Expand. Kembangkan. So OY is equal to 4 lambda A minus A plus lambda B minus 3B. Okay, so you can actually factorize OY equal to 4 lambda minus 1 A plus lambda minus 3B. Do you guys get this step? All of you? Semua dapat? Macam mana saya buat? This is your first equation, guys. Persamaan pertama. But we need YP, not YB. YP, not YB. Wait, it's okay. It doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter. This one is just for you to find the values only. Nak cari nilai saja. Okay, it just depend what part you guys take. Okay, any part also can one, guys. Okay, just to solve the equation only. Okay, and then you guys can notice another thing. You can find out BP equal to lambda by. Okay, you can also form another equation. BP, okay, I don't use lambda lah, guys. I use K. Okay, do you guys understand this? Because they are collinear. Can you guys see that? BPY, they are all straight line, right? Garis lurus. So I can say BP equal to KBY. Faham? Sebab dia selawi, is parallel. Okay, so BP how to find? Okay, BP is actually BO plus OP. Okay, so equal to K BY. Okay, BY is negative 3B minus A, right? Okay, and then OP lambda OX, right? Okay, BO, okay, wait. BO we have answer or not? BO. Okay, BO you can find. Kamu boleh cari. Am I right? Okay, BO is actually negative 3B and then minus 4A. Setuju? Okay, because BO is BA plus AO. Okay, BA negative 3B, AO negative 4A. So negative 3B minus 4A. Okay, negative 3B minus 4A. Kat sini. Okay, and then OP is lambda OX kan? Okay, so lambda OX. OX is what, guys? OX is 4A plus B, right? Okay, so 4A plus B equal to K 3B negative 3B minus A. Okay, jelas guys? Sampai sekarang? All of you clear how I'm solving? All can? So far the step? Yes or no? Can. Okay, so now what I do is I just expand it, guys. Okay, kembangkan 4 lambda A plus lambda B. Okay, plus lambda B equal to negative 3KB minus KA. Okay, when you guys reach this step, right? Yes, you start to compare, guys. Bandingkan. Okay, so you can actually factorize. Okay, negative 3 plus lambda B and then plus 4 lambda minus 4A. Can you guys see that? Cuba nampak. So now I can compare, guys. Cuba bandingkan. Left hand side, right hand side. Okay, so you compare B dengan B, A dengan A. So negative 3 plus lambda equal to negative 3K. So lambda is 3 minus 3K. First equation, persamaan pertama. And then 4 lambda minus 4 equal to negative K. This is the second equation. Saya gantikan. Substitute. Okay, inside. So you have 4, 3 minus 3K minus 4 equal to negative K. Why negative 3 plus lambda? Because negative 3B plus lambda B. Factorize B. Kamu faktorkan keluar B. So negative 3 plus lambda lah. Understand? Kawin? Faham? Okay. So you guys continue. Expand. Kembangkan. So you will get minus 4 equal negative K. So you will get what? 11K equal to 8. So K is equal to 8 over 11. Correct? Okay, then kamu boleh cari lambda kan? So lambda is 3 minus 3K, 8 over 11. So lambda equal to, press calculator, 3 minus 24 over 11, 9 over 11. Okay? Jelas? So done. Lambda and K you guys found already. So what can you guys do here? You can actually substitute it inside here. Am I right? Kamu boleh gantikan kat sini nilai lambda. So you can actually find out your OY. Okay, OY tak berguna lah. Not useful. But you guys can find out this, right? Can you guys see that? BP is KBY. So you know the K already, right guys? Kamu sudah tahu nilai dia. Okay, so K is 8 over 11. Am I right? Okay, so BP is 8 over 11 BY. Sat. Okay, saya habis dulu ah. Okay, so the question is, they want BP to PY guys, ratio. Dia nak nisbah yang tu. So how to find the ratio guys? Okay, very simple. You guys can use this one lah, this information. So BP 8 parts, BY 11 parts. Can you see that? BP ambil 8 bahagian, BY total is 11 bahagian. Am I right? Based on the ratio. So PY berapa guys? Yeah, PY is 3 lah. So BP to PY, the answer should be 8 nisbah 3. Understand? 8 to 3 ratio. Okay? SS is screenshot. Kevin, he want to screenshot the answer. Okay? Can or not? All of you guys clear on the working? Jelas. Screenshot muka Sir Bhuvan. Why ya? Kenapa nak ambil muka saya? Sangat berharga ke? Oh, my face very precious lah guys. So that's why you want to take picture, is it? Sangat berharga. A lot of people say what you know. When admits exam, they put my picture on the front of the class. Then they will do well for the exam one. Dia letak muka saya kat depan kelas dia, confirm admits exam senang nak score. Muka saya pun dah cukup. Yeah, hopefully lah. Hopefully you guys got inspiration. Hashtag Bhuvan, correct. Understand? No problem guys. Okay. So this is the working. Okay, I think you guys can take picture of this. This one is much clearer lah. Okay, lebih jelas. The method might be different, but answer is the same lah guys. Okay, jawapan dia masih sama, walaupun kaedah berbeza. Okay, alright, done lah guys. Habis? Can I continue? Boleh pergi lagi? Done lah. Okay, next one. Okay, question 4 guys. Question 4 is a Form 5 topic tingkatan 5. Form 5 chapter 2 guys. Differentiation, pembezaan. Okay, so for this one, okay, this is a KBAT question, and it's very common in SPM for differentiation. Okay, kamu akan nampak. Okay, the question is you must show, tunjukkan. Okay, so come ready. Showing question guys. Admits, showing question tak boleh lari lah. Okay, you guys must know how to do. Tak boleh skip. Jangan skip. Cuba buat. Okay, so how to find guys? They ask you show the surface area of water. Luas permukaan air. Okay, so they give you a picture already guys. Can you see that? Okay, so how to show? Macam mana buktikan yang ni? Okay, no. Okay guys, you see one thing you see the formula. Do you notice is something similar to pi r square? No, it's not hemisphere guys. It's a circle, bulatan. A equal pi r square. Do you guys notice? Formula dia nampak sama kan? Means r square is actually 20h minus h square. So kamu kena cuba dapatkan yang ni. Okay? And then pi is pi lah. A is A. Okay? Matching kan? Not 10. What 10? Bukan. You must see carefully guys. Okay. The water is, let me see water is this one. Yang ni. This one is the water. Okay, so you must show the surface area. Okay, so very simple. They tell you it is a hemisphere. Okay, so hemisphere. So this 10, right guys? You must think and see. They telling you, okay, see carefully Kevin. Surface area of water. Luas permukaan air. Guys, you see my water tumbler. surface area of water. Luas permukaan air. Can you see it's a circle? The question cannot draw for you this because this is 3D. Can you imagine guys? Yang ni adalah 3D. Raja soalan ni 2D. Faham tak? So kamu kena bayangkan ada bulatan macam ni. Understand guys? It's actually circle one, but it's 3D. Sphere. Dia adalah sfera. Dia tak boleh lukis. You guys can see this one. This one 3D, right? Can you guys see? Circle, bulatan. Understand? Okay? So you guys can apply the 3D concept. Yeah. You must look from the top. Plan. You guys learn plan and elevation, right? Plan dan dongakan. Ini adalah plan. Plan dia adalah bulatan. Am I right? Okay, when you guys see from the top, you see a circle. Correct? So circle, you have to use circle formula lah. A equal pi r square. Betul? Okay. So now, okay, how do you guys actually approach this? You can see over here. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, you guys must actually form a triangle. Kamu kena bentukkan satu segitiga. Okay, so if you guys see here, right? This one, this is the radius, right, guys? Am I right? Jejari kan? So guys, radius. If I say radius, right? If I draw like this, and I draw like this, all of this is 10, right, guys? Agree? Semua ni adalah 10 kan? So I can say that this whole thing is also 10. Correct? So, if I ask you this one, what is the answer for this, guys? Black part. Yeah. Yang hitam tu 10 minus H kan? 10 minus H. Correct? Yes. Jejari. Correct. Okay, and then this one? This one what to put? Okay, this one is actually your R lah, guys. Jejari. Radius. So that you can use Pythagoras theorem, Kavin. The concept here is we want to use Pythagoras theorem. Understand? Theorem Pythagoras. Okay? So wait, let me check and see. Do I put 10? Yeah, must put 10. Okay, 10. Because it's the same. Okay, this one is a 10 and this one is the R. Can you guys imagine? Because this is the radius for the water. Okay, sekarang kita nak cari luas permukaan yang ni saja, guys. Only the black one, yang hitam. So yang ni adalah jejari dia. Faham? Do you guys see it? How do we know I must use triangle? From today onwards, when you see this kind of question, you must draw a triangle. Okay guys? Mulai hari ni, kalau nampak soalan macam ni, terus first concept datang, lukis segitiga. Faham? That's why I say guys, how to know is, you must have experience doing the question guys. Macam mana tahu kamu kena dapatkan dari pengalaman buat banyak soalan. Ini semua dipanggil pengalaman. Tak ada apa-apa konsep. It's just experience only. Saya nampak macam ni, saya tahu apa yang saya kena buat. Nonagon? Mana kamu nampak nonagon? How can you draw nonagon, guys? Nonagon is 9 side, you know. 9 cc. Impossible lah, guys. Tak boleh. Okay? Alright. Okay, so now, guys, you use Pythagoras theorem. So, Pythagoras theorem macam ni kan? Am I right? Okay, so you guys can find R square. So, R square is 100 minus 10 minus H square. Correct? So, R square is equal to 100 minus 100 minus 20H plus H square. Saya kembangkan. Expand. Okay, so you get R square equal to 20H minus H square. Can you guys see that? Sama tak guys? Can you see? Exactly the same. 100% sama. Done. You guys already solved the question. Simple or not guys? Proving question. Senang tak? You just see, do like this, get the answer. Kavin, area of circle, what is the formula? Apa rumus guys? Kalau luas bulatan, A equal pi r square, right? Don't forget the formula. This is a basic formula. Okay? Understand how to solve the question. Jelas. Simple or not guys? I ask you all. Senang atau tidak soalan ni? Senang, right? It's actually very straightforward. The most important thing is you must know to draw a triangle. Kalau kamu tahu idea dia lukis segitiga, senang. You must know. Okay? Yes, correct. Actually, this question, right? It tests you a lot of basic. First basic, Pythagoras theorem. Kamu kena tahu, asas. Second, formula ni. Kamu kena tahu. Asas. So actually got two basic over here that you guys kena tahu. Okay? Yes, correct. Okay, radius is 10. Kevin, you can see over here, right? Can you see this? The radius, it will spin. You must imagine it spins throughout the semicircle. Dia akan berputar. It rotate 180 darjah. So from the center to the circumference, dari pusat sampai lilitan bulatan tu, itu adalah jejari. Faham tak? Center to circumference. Always 10 cm one. The base and hypo is the same. The base is R. Okay, you must think what base you are talking about. This is the base of the triangle. Can you see that, Kevin? This is another semicircle over here. Can you see? You have another semicircle. Dua semi bulatan. Okay. So I just give a symbol R lah to show the radius of the second semicircle. Because I don't know the value, guys. No. Both is not 10. Okay. The 10 is belong to the larger semicircle only. Can you see that? Larger one, the radius is 10. Smaller one, the radius is R. Faham tak, guys? Yang kecil, semi bulatan tu R. Besar tu 10 jejari. Okay? Because obviously you can see the length here are different, right, guys? Cuba bandingkan. Panjang ni dengan panjang ni. Sama atau berbeza, guys? Confirm berbeza kan? Kamu nampak pun kamu boleh lihat. Ada extra sikit kat sini. Confirm berbeza. So that's why saya tak boleh letak 10 kat sini. Faham tak? Dia tak sama dengan 10. So, saya tak tahu nilai. I don't know what's the value. So, I just put R lah. Saya tak tahu nilai. So, letak boleh ubah. Okay? Alright. Okay, so now question B, guys. So, question B, they ask you to find the small changes. Perubahan kecil in the surface area. So, what is the symbol, guys, to show small changes? Apa simbol yang kamu guna? Yes, ingat. Perubahan kecil is delta A. Okay? Not Y. You must follow the question, guys. Question say area, luas. So you put delta A. Okay? Alright. So the information the question give is there is an error of 2% for the small changes in the water height, tinggi air. Okay. So the information you can get is delta H over H is actually 2%. Am I right? Okay, because delta H over H times 100% is equal to 2%. This is the formula for error, guys. Okay, kesilapan dalam apa-apa ukuran, this is the formula. Okay, error, small changes. Delta H over H times 100% equal to 2%. So that's why rumus dia macam ni. Okay, so you guys solve for delta H. Delta H is equal to 2H over 100. Okay, and then delta A, what is the formula? dA over dH is equal to delta A over delta H. Masih ingat, guys, rumus ni? Do you all still remember this formula? Differentiation. This is the approximation and small changes formula. Okay, perubahan kecil punya rumus. Okay, so delta A is equal to dA over dH times delta H. Okay, so for dA over dH, you guys can differentiate this, right? Kamu boleh bezakan your answer. Okay, so you guys will actually get how much? You will get, let me see. Okay, you will get 20 pi minus 2 pi h. Correct? Oh, very simple. The concept is just like how you count. Okay, how to say? Okay, I'll ask you a question, guys. What does the error means? Okay, let's say I measure a leaf, right, guys? Not leaf, sorry. I measure a length of pencil. Okay, saya ukur panjang pencil. Okay, let's say the first reading I get is 10 cm, guys. Katakanlah the first reading is 10 cm. The second reading I get is 12 cm. Okay, bayangkanlah ukuran yang saya ambil. Okay, and then the actual value is actually 14 cm, guys. Panjang sebenar dia 14. So guys, how do I count my error in the measurement? Macam mana saya boleh kira apa nama dia? Ralat. dalam ukuran. You must take 12 minus 10 lah. Delta X over X. I want in term of percentage guys. Saya nak wala tu dalam peratusan. So saya darab 100%. Okay. So delta X is the small change over the actual value guys. Bagi dengan nilai sebenar times 100%. Do you guys understand? It's the same concept over here. Cuba nampak. Sama kan konsep dia kat sini. Understand? Do you guys understand now this formula? Make sure you guys faham rumus. Jangan hafal. If you understand the formula, then you will understand one. Can you explain the delta? Oh, delta just shows small change, guys. That's all. Delta means small changes. Joanne. Perubahan kecil. That's all. No need to worry so much on delta. Delta is just small change. Okay? So that's all. Okay, so now this one, guys. 20 pi minus 2 pi h. So you differentiate a d. You guys can put over here the answer. And then delta h is 2h over 100, right? Kamu dapat tadi from the formula. So you guys just expand, kembangkan. You guys will get this as your answer. This is the final answer. Jawapan akhir. Understand, guys? How to solve it? Simple, right? So this is how you get your delta A. This is delta A. Okay? So guys, the H value, do I need to substitute the H value? Yes or no? Perlu tak saya gantikan nilai H? If you see the question. Yes or no? Can I substitute the H value? Tak perlu lah guys. Tak perlu gantikan nilai H. Kenapa? Mereka tak bagi info kat saya apa nilai H dia. Tak ada. Satu soalan tak bagi apa nilai H. Faham tak? Dia just bagi tahu dia adalah H. Okay? So kamu kena tinggal jawapan dalam sebutan H. Faham? You leave your answer in term of H. So delta A is, yeah. The question is slanted one. The original question is slanted. Sorry guys. Okay. Understand how to do it? Faham guys? All clear? Continue Okay, next one. Question 5. If you guys got question, just tell me. Okay? Alright. So this one. What chapter guys? If you see this question. Apa bab dia? What do you think? This question is from what chapter? You see MT equal to 20t squared TT. Yeah, this is function actually guys. Form 4 chapter 1. Okay? Form 4 bab 1. Alright? Okay, so very simple. They ask you determine the number of bacteria N. Bilangan bacteria. After being removed from a certain time period. Okay, so this is application lah guys. Dia tanya tentang aplikasi. Okay, so you guys see N, you guys see small letter T. So what type of function is this guys for part A? N and small letter T. So this is apa jenis fungsi dia? Soalan A. Yes, you must combine these two function guys. Okay, so it's composite function. Okay, fungsi kubahan. Okay, so is the answer going to be NTT or TNT? Which one is the correct one? Mana yang betul untuk soalan A? You guys must think and see lah. Okay, so for N is the, let me see, number of bacteria. Bilangan bacteria to N. And then T is temperature, suhu. And yeah, itu saja. Okay, so which one come first? You guys must think and see. Okay, so the answer is NTT. Alright? Yeah, correct. Okay, NTT means the concept is you must have temperature first, then only the bacteria can come, right guys? Am I right? Kalau ada suhu, baru saja bacteria tu akan membiak. Betul? So that's why TT kena datang dulu and then NT. Understand guys? That's the concept. Temperature first, then only bacteria. Correct? Because only in a suitable temperature, bacteria can grow, right? You must think of science lah guys. Bila ada suhu yang sesuai, baru saja bacteria akan ada kan nilai N2. So need temperature first, then only, yeah. That's why I say guys, this one is application. Aplikasi fungsi, faham tak? Temperature, not time. Time also, but also temperature. You can see over here guys. This is the function. So time affect temperature, temperature affect number. Faham tak? Okay, masa tu dia pengaruhi suhu, suhu tu dia pengaruhi bilangan bakteria. Ada dua hubungan guys kat sini. That's why dia fungsi gubahan. Faham tak? You have two function, dua fungsi. Okay? Yes, correct. Okay? So you guys just do composite function lah. These two. Okay, fungsi gubahan. Okay, so TT is 4T plus 2. And then you guys kena gantikan kat T. Okay, substitute 4T plus 2 inside the T. So kamu kena gantikan lah. Just do normal composite function, kembangkan, and then you guys will get the answer. Okay, so jawapan dia is 320T square plus 420. Understand guys this question? Clear? Any problem? Ada apa-apa masalah soalan ni? Can No problem. Okay, if you guys got question, please ask Don't be silent. Kalau ada soalan, terus tanya. Okay, next one. So now the question asks you to find T. Cari masa. And they tell you the number now is 2040 guys. Okay, bilangan dia N. Okay, so N equal to 2040. So, substitute 2040 lah kat sini. Okay, just gantikan. So you guys will see you have a quadratic equation. So you guys kena selesaikan lah quadratic. That's all. Okay, equal to 0. You factorize. So your jawapan akan ada dua. But guys, negative or positive, which one you guys will accept? Mana yang betul untuk masa? Now we are talking time. So time must always be time must be always greater than 0 guys. Lebih besar dari kosong. So that's why your answer is 9/4 second. Okay? Understand? Simple or not? This question guys. Senang kan? Sorry, 9/4 hours, not second. Okay? I have negative time, that's why I look old. Really? I never see how you look before. Okay. Next one. Question number 6 guys. Okay, so this one. What topic? Yeah, I know. Soalan ni dari bab apa? You see the question. Yeah, this is your progression guys. Janjang. Form 4 chapter 5. Okay? Oh, I see. Okay. No comments lah. Okay. So they give you SN guys. So they ask you sum of the first 9 terms. Hasil tambah 9 sebutan pertama. So guys, what is the N value for question A? Apa nilai N? Very simple. You just substitute N equal to 9. Okay, just gantikan lah 9 dalam rumus ni. Okay, just substitute. You will get the answer. Okay, so the answer is actually 81. Itu saja. Okay, that is part A. And then part B, first term and common difference. Sebutan pertama dan beza sepunya. Okay guys, based on this formula, right? How can I find first term? Anyone? What is the assumption? Ataupun apa nilai N saya? Yeah, remember guys, S1 is the same meaning as A. Okay? S1 sama dengan A. So N is equal to 1. Okay? So just gantikan lah. Then you guys can get the A value. So A value is equal to 5. Okay? And then D guys, how do I find common difference? Apa rumus dia? Beza sepunya? Anyone? The basic formula. No. Formula guys. I want formula, not symbol. D sama dengan apa? Yes, very good function. Okay, T2 minus T1. Remember. Okay, D is equal to T2 minus T1. So, how do I get T2 guys? Did you all think and see? Macam mana cari T2? Now my formula only got Sn. So how? Macam mana? Yes, very good. T2 is actually S2 minus S1 guys. Do you get the concept? Hasil tambah dua sebutan pertama minus sebutan pertama. Kamu dapat sebutan kedua. Betul? So T2 is S2 minus S1 minus T1. So this is your formula guys for D. Okay? So you substitute N is 2, N equal to 1. Actually these two are the same lah guys. Dua-dua sama. So it's just 2 times of A. Am I right? S2 minus 2A. Okay guys, you must know this formula. Do you see this formula before or not? in your textbook. All of you. Pernah nampak tak rumus ni? Okay, you guys see your Form 4 Chapter 5. They actually write down this formula in textbook. This is the formula lah guys. T2 equal S2 minus S1. Saya just ganti N sama dengan 2 dalam rumus ni. Understand? So I get lah. Understand? Okay, the concept is sum of the first two term minus the first term. You get the second term. That is the concept. Alright? So you guys can imagine like this lah. Just draw a lumber line. 1, 2. So this is S2, right? Am I right? This one is S1, right? So S2 minus S1, I get T2 lah. Faham tak guys? So this is the concept. We will get common difference. Yes, correct. Okay, common difference is actually S2 minus 2A. 2 kali sebutan pertama. Okay, because S1 and T1, you must remember, these two things are actually equal to A. Dua-dua ni sama. Okay, S1 is equal to T1. T1 is equal to A. Understand? Why 2A? Because S2 minus S1 minus T1. Understand? S1 is A. T1 also A. So that's why it's S2 minus 2A. Faham tak guys? So you guys can remember actually, D is S2 minus 2A. Directly. Boleh hafal rumus ni. Okay, this formula is also valid guys. Boleh. Cuba ingat lah. Okay, D is equal to S2 minus 2A. Okay, so you guys just need to substitute everything. Gantikan. And then you guys will get the answer. Your common difference is 1. 0? No, you won't get 0 lah. Your answer is 1 guys. 1. Can you see that? Clear? So your answer is still 1. Your common difference is 1. Guys, if your common difference is 0, right? Do you have a progression or not? May I ask? Kalau nilai D tu kosong, kamu ada janjang tak? Means that this is your example. Am I right? Only in this case, your D is 0. Correct? Sebab tak ada beza. Sepunya. No difference. So, this is not progression. Am I right? Yang ni kamu tak menaik, kamu tak menurun. You're not going up, you're not going down. You're just constant. Malah. This is not called progress. Progression come from the word progress, guys. Yang ni ada progress tak? Tak progress kan? Sama saja. This is not progress. Okay? Yeah, the concept something like that. You guys can relate very well. Okay, so they want this one, guys. Sum of the fourth term to 18. Wait. 8 or 18 start, guys. Okay, 8. English got mistake. It's actually 8 term. So how to find the answer, guys? Hasil tambah sebutan keempat sampai ke-8. What will be the formula? Are you sure? 4 until 8, guys. Yeah, the answer is S8 minus S3, guys. Remember, S8 minus S3. So it's the first 8 term minus the first 3 term. Okay, hasil tambah 8 sebutan pertama, tolak hasil tambah 3 sebutan pertama. Alright, so you guys just find the value, substitute in your formula. Your final answer is 50. Guys, I explain all this is difficult Semua yang ni susah ke? Guys, this kind of question in progression, right, is considered easy, you know. Soalan macam ni anggap senang tau dalam ADMATS. You guys should already be thankful you get this kind of question in SPM. Kamu kena bersyukur dah. Soalan macam ni anggap sangat senang. Ada lagi yang lebih susah. Faham tak? So if you guys think this one is hard, kamu fikir yang ni susah, kamu kena ulang kaji banyak dah untuk bab ni. Okay? Take note guys. If you feel this one is hard for you, do more question on progression. S1 minus T1 not 0. Wait S1 minus T1. Okay. Why is it not 0? Because, did I say my first term is 0? Function? Did the progression say that the first term is 0? Yes or no? You see the formula here. It's not 0, right? If you substitute n equal to 1, this is your T1, right? T1 is S1, correct? So, 1 is actually equal to 5. Am I right? The answer here is 5. 5. So, the first term, A value is 5. So, that's why 2A is equal to 10. So it's not 0 guys. Tak sama dengan kosong Understand? You must see the question carefully. Okay? No, it won't be 0 guys, because your first term is not 0. Understand? Mitwan, you see over here, your first term A is 5. Okay? Wait. And it's minus 2A. You see the formula carefully. Mitwan is minus S1 minus T1, not S1 minus T1. If S1 minus T1, then 0. Correct. But now over here is minus in front of S1. Okay? Careful guys. If I put a plus here, then yes, it's 0. Okay? All right. So next one guys, question 7. Soalan ketujuh. Okay. Who don't like log over here? Can you guys tell me? Siapa tak suka log? Anyone of you over here don't like log? Okay. See this question guys. This one is Form 4 Chapter 4. This is the last for Section A. Okay. So this is the information guys. Oh, you love log Not bad. Okay. This one very simple guys. They ask you to find K. How to find K? All of you. Macam mana cari nilai K? Over here. You just need to very easy, right? This one basic guys, this question. So you just need to convert log form to index form. Am I right? Tukar bentuk log kepada bentuk index. So 16 is actually 4 square. 4 kuasa 2. So your K value is 2. Understand? Simple, right? Senang. Okay, then part 2 guys. Part 2 also very easy, senang. What is the answer guys? Direct. Bagi tahu saya jawapan. Wrong. Not negative Careful. You must remember the law guys. Ingat hukum dia. What is the answer? Log K16 is 4. So log 16K? Yes. Inverse lah guys. Terbalik. 1 over 4. Not negative It's 1 over. Okay? Understand guys? Quite easy lah. Just memorize the law only. Okay? Alright. Next one. So now they give you this one guys. You need to express. Ungkapkan. How you do convert log form to index form. That's why very easy. I think this one is 1 mark. This one is 1 mark. And then actually this one you can show a bit of step lah guys. Boleh tunjuk langkah sikit. Okay, you can write log 16 over log 16K equal to 4. Jangan terus tulis jawapan. Okay, you write this step. So 1 over log 16K equal to 4. So log 16K equal to 1 over 4. This is how you get the answer lah. So you show some step lah guys. 2 marks over here also. Understand? Dapat? So that's the concept. Okay. So now guys, this one. Okay, so first step guys, I told you all yesterday, kalau siapa join kelas semalam, you know, for log, what is the first step I must do always? Apa langkah pertama dia kalau log? Always must do one thing. Panic, kamu keluar dewan lah. If you panic, you leave the hall of SBM. Simple. Yes, the answer is same base guys. Make sure your log is always in the same base. Asas log kamu kena sama. Tahu kan? So you guys, see over here. Log base P, log base P, log base 7. So what can I do? I change it all to base what? I can change to base P lah. Tukar lah. Jadi base P. So log 7 17 P4 equal to log 7 17 plus log 7 P4. Kalau darab, if you times over here, I can split it to become plus. This is the law guys. Hukum log. Okay. And then let me see. Wait. Okay. So for this one, you must change the base guys. Kena tukar asas. So it's log P17 over log P7. Log P7 plus 4 log 7P. Okay. Power you can bring in front. Kuasa bawa ke depan. Okay. So you will have log P17 over log P7 plus 4 over 4 over log P7. Do you guys understand this step? How I do it, guys? Semua faham? Because 1 over. This one I make it become 1 over log P7. Okay, yeah, inverse. Okay, so what is log P7, guys? Log P7 is y, right? So I just substitute log P7 with y. So over here is y plus 4 over y. Okay, log P17. Macam mana tukar, guys? How do I change log P17? Okay, you guys must use a bit of common sense lah, guys. 17 is 51 over 3. Correct? Yeah, 51 over 3, right? Okay, so 51 over 3. How can I write it, guys? Macam mana saya boleh tulis dia? 51 over 3. Okay, if you guys can try, you guys can trial and error lah. Okay, so let me see. Wait, 3 times 3 times 7. Wait, 17. 51 over 3. Let me see. 17. 63. Yeah. Okay, 17 is 51 over 3, correct. Inverse part, wait, inverse part, basically, you must just remember, guys, if you inverse, right, the position of your number and base will change. Nombor dengan asas ni dia akan tukar kedudukan. Nampak? That's the concept of inverse. Can, Naomi? Okay, the formula is actually this one you have in your AddMaths. Okay, if you see your AddMaths Form 4 Chapter 4, this is the formula. You guys got see before, right? This formula. Pernah nampak kan? This is the concept lah. Over here. Exactly the same. I follow the formula. Okay? Alright. Okay, so for the 7, wait, you say try and error, won't it waste our time? Which one? Which one trial and error, guys? I don't understand. Oh, you mean this one, is it? The 17. Sometime got no choice lah, guys. Kamu kena trial dan error. Sometime memang macam tu. You must try to find a combination yang boleh bagi jawapan. Okay. So the combination, let me see. I also must try. Sometimes it's not so straightforward. Okay. 7 power 3 over 3. Okay. So if you guys got no idea, right? You know what to do. Kalau tak ada idea. Okay, very simple. You guys see the information over here, right? You see 7 and 3. 7 dan 3. Okay, so you think and see. 7 times 3, 21, right? 21 tak kena. So you guys times again. Try to repeat the numbers. Kamu kena cuba ulang beberapa nombor. Okay, so let me try and see. Got any connection or not? Wait, is the question same? 17. Wait. English and BM berbeza lah, guys. Sorry. Follow BM. English is wrong, guys. Okay, you guys must use 27. Sorry. Okay, it's not 17. No wonder lah. Tak dapat. Okay, this one 27. So 27 senang lah, guys. 3 power 3. Okay. 3 power 3 terus dapat. Okay, so 3 log P3. Am I right? So 3x lah. Log P3 sama dengan x. So 3x. Okay, so the answer is 3x plus 4 over y. Sometimes English and BM, dia bagi nombor berbeza. So remember, guys, when you see English is different, right? Okay, jawapan BI berbeza kan? You just follow BM. Always follow BM. Okay, remember that. Kena ikut. Okay, not x power 3. No. You must remember, guys, 27 is 3 power 3. So 3 bring in front, bawa ke depan, is 3 log P3. Am I right? This one is 3 log P3. So log P3 is the x. Understand, guys? Dapat. Okay? So this is your working, guys. Jalan kira. So you will get 3x plus 4 over y. Okay? Alright. So next one, guys. Section B. Okay, for section B, you guys must choose only 3 questions. 3 soalan. So I will discuss 3 questions with you guys. Okay, so first question, linear law. Kamu bagi tahu lah mana 3 soalan yang kamu nak. Okay, so part 8 is linear law. Okay, wait. Why log P17 need to divide log P7? Wait, guys. I come back to this one. Why must divide? Because I'm adding new base function. Can you see I'm adding new base over here? I add a new base of P. So this is the rule, guys. Okay, the formula is like this. You can find in your textbook also guys. Ini rumus dia kalau tambah asas baru. Have you guys seen this formula? All of you? For Form 4 Chapter 4? I think you guys should have seen, right? This formula. So saya apply kat sini lah. That's all. Okay? So the A value here is actually the P value if you compare. Okay, the C value is P. Nilai C2 sama dengan P. Your A value is 7, B value is 17. Okay? So now, okay, so for section B, guys, 8 is linear law, no problem. Okay, and then question 9, it is coordinate geometry. And then question 10, it is circular measure. And 11 is differentiation. So you guys want which 3 question? Can you guys comment the number? Apa nombor yang kamu nak saya bincang? Okay, 9 sama. 2 lagi. 9 is coordinate geometry. 10, okay, one more. Satu lagi. 8 or 11? Linear law. Okay, I see majority guys. So far got 1, sama. 11 So you guys want 9, 10, 11. Linear law tak payahlah. 9, 10, 11. Okay? Alright? With you guys, because I think linear law is quite easy lah. So nothing much to discuss. Okay? Linear law easy lah guys. Trust me. 9, 10, 11 much more worth it to discuss. Okay? Because all these questions are hard one. Sedikit susah. Okay? Alright. So now guys, they ask you to find the value of H. Cari nilai H. So first step, whenever you see coordinate geometry, you must label guys. OC perpendicular optimal point. I never heard before also. This one what chapter? Apa yang ni? Optimal point. Form 4 chapter 7 Are you sure? I never heard this before. Anyone heard of this? Siapa pernah dengar yang ni? Optimal point? I think is out of syllabus code. Tak ada dalam SPM. None. I also don't know. No. Form 4 chapter 7. Tak ada. Okay. I think you memorize wrongly code. Intersection point. Is it intersection point? Or no also. Something else. Okay, never mind lah. We go through this first guys. Okay, OC perpendicular to BC. Okay, OC berserenjang dengan garis BC. Okay, so you can see they already put a 90 degrees because perpendicular. And they tell you equation of OC is y equal to negative half x. Oh, okay. So basically intersection point lah guys. Titik persilangan. Am I right? Simultaneous equation lah. Okay. Alright. So OC, y is negative half x. Okay. So you guys got one equation. And then BC, 3y equal to hx minus 15 for BC. So you just label lah guys. You got information, just label saja. Okay. Alright. And then the question say find the value of h. Alright. Very simple guys. So may I know what is the gradient for OC? All of you. Apa kecerunan dia? Garis OC? Yes. Very good. Okay, the answer is negative 1/2. So, can you guys tell me BC? What is the gradient for BC? Automatically, if negative half, yeah. Okay, yes, correct. H/3. Another value, satu lagi nilai. This one negative half. So, yeah, the answer is 2 guys. 2. Okay, because M1, M2 equal to negative 1. Am I right? So this one negative half. So M2 is actually sama dengan 2. Am I right? So that's why I get the 2 over here. Okay? Clear? So your H value actually is 6. Understand? Because over here the gradient is H/3. Kecerunan dia. Remember when you find gradient guys, your equation must be y equal to mx plus c. You must arrange in this format. Okay? Kena susun macam ni. Baru boleh dapat kecerunan dia. Okay? Alright. Next one. Question asks coordinate of point C. Okay, so how to find coordinate of point C? Everyone, you see over here, C. So, what is the concept? C is the intersection point, titik persilangan. Yes, automatic. You guys do simultaneous lah. So y is negative half x. First equation. Second equation, 3y equal to hx minus 15. Second equation. So you guys just substitute over here. Penggantian. Okay, just use substitution method. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so for part A2, you guys will get x equal to 2 and y equal to negative 1. So coordinate is 2, negative 1. Senang kan? Very simple, right? Straightforward. Okay? Alright. Next one. So for part B1, okay, they tell you BD ratio DC 3 to 1. Okay, dia bagi tahu nisbah sekarang. Okay, so BD 3, DC 1. Okay, and then they ask you find coordinate D. Alright? Okay, so for coordinate C, you guys already have, right? C is 2, negative 1 based on the answer just now. Tadi kita sudah dapat. And then coordinate B. Okay, you guys must find out coordinate B. Okay. Let me see. Okay, yeah. You got no information for coordinate B. So you guys need to think and see lah. Okay, what is going to be coordinate B? Divisor, yeah, correct. Okay, you guys must use divisor formula for point D. Okay, but how to know the coordinate of B? Anyone? Siapa boleh cari nilai dia? How to find coordinate B? Okay, the concept is you guys can see over here, right? The symbol is parallel, right? Am I right? Okay, selari. Okay, so the gradient here is also negative half, correct? But let me see. Yeah, you guys must use simultaneous. Wait, let's see whether simultaneous can or not. Okay. So for this question, right? Coordinate D. Wait, let me check and see what is the working. Wait, did I make something wrong? Y is 2x minus 5. Coordinate of C. So fast, Wait, guys. How come they get the answer so fast? 0. Y equal to 0. Question wrong, Coordinate D. Oh, sorry, guys. The question asked coordinate D. Oh, yeah, very simple, guys. Wow, I go and think so confusing. No need divisor formula, guys. Tak perlu buat tembering. Is the x-intercept. Am I right, guys? You guys forget an important information. This is on the x-axis. So basic concept, guys. X-intercept saja. Pintasan x. Don't think always of the susah punya concept. Sometimes it's the divisor formula is this one, Kavin. Do you still remember or not? This is in your Form 4 Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry. This is rumus pembahagi tembering in BM. This formula. Yeah, your N and M. Okay? Alright. So guys, pintasan X macam mana cari? What is the concept? If I want to find X-intercept, what should I do? Yes, remember, Y equal to 0 lah, guys. So you just let the equation C be Y equal to 0. Okay, just samakan dengan kosong. Okay, so your answer just now, you just equal to 0. Okay, let this equal 0. So your answer is 5/2, 0. That's all. Very simple lah, this one. Senang. Okay, next one. The question asks to find equation of AB, guys. Kamu kena cari persamaan garis lurus AB. Okay, so to find equation of AB, you guys must know the coordinate B, right? Okay, kamu kena tahu coordinate B. So how do I find coordinate of B? Anyone? What is the concept? Yeah, this time you guys must use divisor lah. Okay, this one is 5/2, 0. So you got coordinate C, coordinate D. B is XY. So divisor lah, pembahagi dia. Okay, so you guys can just use the formula. 5/2, 0 equal to nx1 plus mx2 over m plus n. Okay, and then ny1 plus my2 over m plus n. This is the formula, guys. So you guys solve for x and y lah. Selesaikan saja. Then you will get the answer for coordinate B. Okay, you guys know how to use the formula, right? Remember, when you use this formula, you must always cross the ratio, guys. Kamu kena silang nisbah dia. Can you see it? I take 1 times x, 1 times x, and also 3 times 2. Can you see it? I must cross the ratio. Okay, silang nisbah dia. So if the ratio is 1 over here, I cannot times with 2. Tak boleh. I need to cross to the other coordinate. Okay, saya kena silang kat satu lagi belah. Faham? Do you guys see the concept? So you take 1 times 2 is wrong. And if you take 3 times x, it's wrong. Okay, you must opposite. Okay, kamu kena pergi arah berlawanan. Okay, so this is how you use the formula. And then, if you guys see the working, you guys will get 4 and 3. 4, 3. Okay, so the coordinate of B is actually 4, 3. Am I right? So, you guys can form the equation. Okay, just use y equal to mx plus c. You find the c value. Cari nilai c. Okay, x is 4, y is 3. Your gradient, keturunan is negative half. Okay, you guys found earlier, negative half gradient. Okay, because parallel. Can you see that, guys? AB punya gradient is negative half. Just because selari. Okay, so you guys can tulis jawapan dia lah. Persamaan garis lurus. This is your answer. Okay, are you guys clear? All of you? Semua jelas how to get the answer? Can I have feedback? Clear? All of you clear? Good. No problem. Okay, continue. Okay, next one. So for part D, they want you to find equation of locus, guys. Persamaan locus. So how to find? Persamaan locus bagi P. Okay, PC equal to PB. So, you guys must use distance formula lah. Guna rumus jarak. Okay, so you guys must remember this formula. This is rumus jarak. Okay, so this is your PC. So coordinate C, you guys ada kan? Okay, coordinate C is 2, negative 1. Coordinate B is 4, 3. Am I right? 4, 3 yang kamu cari. Okay, so you guys can direct get the answer. Okay, P is actually XY. Okay, because P is the point that is moving, guys. P ni adalah titik yang bergerak. So always moving point, when they say in admaths, moving point. Okay, this one important guys. You will see in the exam. Moving point, titik bergerak, BM. You always give a symbol of XY. Okay, ingat. Selalunya simbol dia adalah XY. Wait over here. Titik bergerak. Okay, always XY. Okay, understand guys? So that's the concept. Alright. Okay, so you guys can see the answer over here. Just guna rumus dia, and then you will get the answer for locus. Okay, take note guys. Locus doesn't mean always circle. Locus can be a circle, bulatan. It can also be a straight line. You must remember that. Okay, locus can be circle or straight line. Wait, over here. Straight line. There is two possibility one guys. Dia boleh bulatan, dia boleh garis lurus. That's why you see your answer here guys. Tengok jawapan dia. Y equal mx plus c kan. You guys can arrange in this format, right? So it's actually a straight line in this question. Your locus. Okay? Understand guys how to do it? So over here you guys just square both side lah to remove square root. Okay, kuasa 2 saja. Dua-dua belah. Okay, then you guys just solve all of this. Expand. Kembangkan. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay? No problem guys. This question. All can? Yes or no? Some response please. All clear? Continue. Okay, next one. Circular measure. Sukatan membulat. Okay, who don't like this topic? Siapa tak suka? Circular measure. Sukatan membulat. Okay, actually this topic, right guys, a lot of kebat question they can ask. Dia boleh tanya banyak soalan kebat. Okay, especially Form 5 Chapter 1. It looks easy guys, but it can be hard one. Dia nampak senang bab ni. Tapi bila keluar soalan kebat, dia susah. Okay, because there is a lot of concept. You guys must understand. Yeah, it's true. Okay, you guys see this question. You see this question. Show the area of sector is this. Kamu kena buktikan rumus dia. So how? How to show the formula guys? Macam mana buktikan rumus dia? Anyone got ideas? Oh, it's titik optimum. Okay. Means is intersection lah. Persilangan. Am I right? How to prove it, Kavin? You cannot just write back the answer. Am I right? How do you guys show the formula? Macam mana buktikan? 2 marks. How? No. You must show where it come from. Yes. The answer is you guys must take area of sector over area of circle is equal to theta over 360. Do you guys still remember this formula? Mathematic biasa. Kamu ada rumus ni kan? Topi bulatan. Where got no? You see your lower form, guys. Lower form got teach you already. Maths. Circle chapter. This is the formula. Okay? So you guys can get area of sector is actually theta over 2 pi. 360 is 2 pi radian kan, guys? And then area of circle pi r square kan? Okay? Luas bulatan pi r square. So pi and pi I cancel. So my answer is 1 over 2 r square theta sama. See, understand or not? How to prove it, guys? Senang tak? Buktikan dia. Senang, right? That's all. 2 marks, 2 markah. That's why I tell you guys, NMATS is a very easy one, guys. Matematik tambahan senang saja. Kamu semua fikir susah. That's the thing. Very simple only lah, guys. You guys say the subject so hard. Apalah kamu semua. No potential one. You guys must think it's easy. Then only it's easy. Am I right? Kamu kena fikir subjek ni senang. Memang senang kalau fikir senang. Okay? You guys must have a positive mindset towards NMATS. Okay? Alright. Next one. They ask you to express the area of yellow region in term of pi and sec3. Okay? Kamu kena ungkapkan luas rantau kuning. Okay. So how to find, guys? The concept is circle, bulatan, pi r square, minus what? Minus the triangle lah. Circle minus triangle. Okay. So okay. Actually over here got a few concepts lah. Not just circle minus triangle, but you can also think of it like this. Okay, kalau kamu buat macam ni kan, you got actually 3 triangles over here. Can you see that, guys? Ada 3 segitiga kecil. Am I right? This is one triangle. This is another triangle. This is the third triangle. So you can also do like this. Boleh buat macam ni. Okay, so all of this is the radius, right? Jejari. So guys, this angle over here, how much? Apa nilai dia? Anyone got idea? Sama dengan apa? How to find? Yeah. Actually, the answer is 120, 120, 120, guys. Okay? Yes. 360 bahagi 3, guys. Total circle kat sini 360 kan? So 360 bahagi 3 segitiga, 120, right? Why I can divide 3, guys? Because all of these have the same radius. Semua ada panjang sisi yang sama. Understand? It's an isosceles triangle. Do you guys still remember? Isosceles. Segitiga kaki sama. Isosceles triangle, guys. Remember. Okay? So that's why I take 360 divide 3. One shot. Okay? So 120 is actually 2 pi over 3 radian. Am I right? 2 pi over 3 radian. Okay? So you can use half AB sine C. Correct? And then times 3. Kali 3 because 3 triangle. Okay, so the answer is pi r square minus 3 over 2 j square sine 120. Because your angle is 120. Okay, sine 120. What is the value, guys? Can you all tell me? Apa nilai dia? Anyone got idea? How much? Your sine 20. You must press calculator lah. I want the exact value, guys. Saya nak nilai sebenar. Okay. If you guys write like this in exam, cannot. Kalau kamu tinggal jawapan macam ni salah. Why? Because it is not the exact form. Dia bukan nilai sebenar. Can you guys see this? Question 1, your answer in term of, They want square root version. Correct, Violet. Okay. Kena bagi dalam punca kuasa 3. Okay, so very simple. 0.8660 is actually SER3 over 2. Please remember that, guys. Cuba ingat. 0.8660 is SER3 over 2. Okay, yeah. If you guys got the advanced calculator, you tekan akan dapat. But you have no calculator. Then how you count in admaths? Macam mana kira? Guna otak. You guys can use brain and count, is it? Like that, you're the next genius lah, guys. If you're so genius, no need to bring calculator in admaths exam. Tak perlu bawa calculator masuk. You guys just do admaths without calculator. See whether can finish or not. Boleh habis tak? Kertas dalam masa 2 jam. It will take you 12 hours lah, guys. 12 jam untuk habis one paper. If you guys don't have calculator. Or maybe you cannot finish also. Tak boleh buat. So make sure you have a calculator with you. Okay? So this is the answer, guys. Understand? Okay, so you guys can get it like this. Okay? Okay? Wait, didn't simplify yet? Sorry. They already tell you your radius is 6, guys. Jari 6. So I just substitute lah. R is equal to 6 square. Okay, this one is also 6 square. Gantikan lah. Okay, so you will get 36 pi minus 6 square times 3 over 2, 54 minus 3 over 2. Okay? Wait, let me, wait. Why minus? Sorry. It's times, guys. Dapat 3 over 2. Correct. Okay, so you will get 27 3. Am I right? So this is the answer, guys. Jawapan dia. Okay? Are you guys clear? All of you? How to get the answer? All good? This question? Okay, next one. Still circular measure, guys. Masih ada sukatan membulat. This is the second part. Okay, so for this one, they tell you WT is 1.1 meter, guys. Okay, WT 1.1. So you label lah 1.1 meter. And then TV, guys, what is this length over here? Can you all tell me? Apa panjang dia? Yeah, also 1.1 lah, because it's the radius, guys. Jari. Am I right? Okay, and then US 21 meter. Okay, so this one is 21 meter. Seluruh yang ni. Okay, 21 meter. Okay, next. VXW 27 kali US. Okay, so very simple. VXW. So you take 27 times shorter. Means that 121 over 27 lah, guys. 21 bahagi 27. Okay, because they say 27 times shorter. So you can write it as 7 over 9. Simplest form lah. 7 over 9 meter. Better write fraction, guys. Fraction is more accurate. Remember. Okay, pecahan lebih tepat for admaths. Okay, don't give decimal one. Decimal is less accurate. Okay? Alright. So now they ask you to find theta, guys. So what is the formula? Can you all tell me? You have arc length, panjang lengkung, you have radius, jari. So what is the formula? Yeah, simple lah. X equal to r theta. So 7 over 9 equal to 1.1 theta. Press calculator, dapat jawapan. Okay, so your answer is 70 over 99 radian. Okay, simple, right? Itu saja. Okay, so you can see the answer over here. Part C. Wait, did I do wrong? Wait, guys. Okay, never mind. This one I copy paste the wrong answer. Decode. I think I took the wrong answer. Never mind. Okay, you just follow me lah, guys. Okay, jawapan dia salah. I took the wrong one. Okay, so next one. Perimeter of shaded region, guys. Perimeter kawasan berlorek. So, how you guys going to find it? Okay, so you must find UW and you must also find SV. Am I right? Kamu kena cari dua panjang ni. So how? How to find? Anyone got idea? Macam mana dapat panjang dia? Anyone? Come on. Think and see. Fikir. How to get? No need. No need one. Guys, you can use S equal R theta again. Do you guys see that? Yeah. Okay, you can use 21 equal to R 70 over 99. Am I right? Now I use this arc length, guys. Saya guna panjang lengkor yang lebih besar so that I get the total radius. Saya boleh cari seluruh jejari ni. Faham tak? So your R value is actually how much? 21 times 99 over 70. 29.7 guys, meter. So, baki dia, what is the remainder? You take 29.7 minus 1.1 lah guys. So, nilai ni will be 29.7 minus 1.1. So, 28.6 meter. Do you guys see the concept? Dapat? So, this one also is 28.6 meter. So, total 7 over 9 plus 21 plus 28.6 times 2. This is your perimeter of shaded region. So, senang tak guys? That's all. So, this is the answer. Okay? Jelas? So, this is circular measure. Sukatan membulat. Okay, next one. Question 11. Okay, differentiation. Pembezaan. Another question. Okay, this time is first principles. Prinsip pertama. Okay, you guys still remember or not? First principle. This one is a proving question. Kamu kena tunjukkan nilai A adalah 5. Okay, you must prove that A is equal to 5. So how to do this, guys? Macam mana buat? Anyone got idea or not? Okay, so you guys, of course, must start from this equation lah. Okay, kamu kena mula dengan yang ni. Okay, you don't tell me you do like this, guys. Jangan bagi tahu kamu buat macam ni, If you do this step, you are wrong, Okay, the concept a lot of people will do is, I differentiate this equation, right? So I get 2ax. Am I right? So 2ax equal to 10x. So A equal 5. Done. Saya sudah buktikan. But guys, did I do first principle? Adakah saya guna konsep prinsip pertama? No. Although you get the answer, kamu dapat jawapan betul. But konsep salah. Guys, you think you will get 4 marks in AdMaths if you just do like this, Macam ni saja dapat 4 markah. Wah. 2 baris. Wow. Sangat pemurah. Okay, soalan ni sangat apa nak kata? Sangat baguslah dengan kamu semua, ya. So you guys must actually use the first principle. Okay, so what to do? You guys can see over here. I show you guys the working lah. Okay, so y plus delta y. First step, kamu kena tambah delta y and delta x. Okay, something like this. Okay, so y plus delta y equal to a x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square. So kamu kembangkanlah. Just expand. And then you get y plus delta y equal to ax square plus 2ax delta x plus a delta x square. Okay, saya just kembangkan saja, guys. Jangan risau. Okay, I just expand only. Okay, before that, I must minus first, guys. Saya kena tolak dulu. Okay, so I take y minus y, ax square minus ax square. So potong. Okay, this is the second equation. This is the first equation. So I take 2 minus 1. That's why saya potong lah. Okay, 2 tolak 1. So then I divide delta x, correct? Okay, so delta y over delta x. If I divide delta x, I will have 2ax plus a delta x, correct? So now what I do? Delta x menghampiri kosong kan? Okay, delta x must go to 0. Yeah, your limit. Okay, lim delta x go to 0. So equal to 2ax plus a times 0. Okay, so jawapan dia apa? 2ax. Am I right? So 2ax equal to 10x. Sama kan? Equal to 10x. So what is the answer, guys? A equal to 5. Sudah terbukti. Simple or not, guys? AdMaths. Siapa cakap AdMaths susah? Who tell AdMaths is so hard? So simple lah, guys. Tutup mata boleh buat lah, guys. I close my eye also can solve the question lah. Ayo. How to do this? Which one? What how to do? I already explained, guys. How to do. Saya sudah terangkan. First spin. What first print? What is, you mean first part? Part A. Oh, first principle. This is the step. Sorry, Mitran. This is the step. You must do like this. First step, you add delta y and delta x. Can you see? You add delta y and delta x. Okay? And then second step, you divide delta x to the whole equation. Last step, substitute delta x is 0. That's all. You get the answer. Okay? 3 step. Just memorize these 3 step. This is the proper step I teach lah. Okay, I don't teach using Formula 1. It's much easier this way. So if you guys want to summarize first principle, is something like this. First step, plus delta x plus delta y. Summary guys, ringkasan. Second step, you take second equation minus first equation. Okay, 2 tolak 1. And then third step, you divide by delta x. This is the third step. Divide delta x. And then the fourth step, delta x go to 0. That's all guys. This is first principle. Prinsip pertama macam ni saja. Just memorize this 4 step. Finish. Okay? Yang lain semua algebra saja. The rest you guys just expand. That's all. But the concept of differentiation is this 4. Konsep pembezaan hanya 4 saja. Okay, actually number 2 is not differentiation lah. Number 2 is simultaneous equation. Okay, so actually only 3 steps is the concept of differentiation. If they ask first principle, oh, can one. Simple only. I got do before. You guys try to do first principle for this equation, guys. Okay, cuba buat prinsip pertama untuk yang ni. You guys try and see. See whether you guys can do or not. That one you cuba sendirilah. I don't want to explain now. No. Kamu kena tinggalkan macam ni. Easy Are you sure? What if I put a power 3 here? Easy First principle. I ask you guys this one. Senang tak? So you guys think and see lah before you say easy. Okay? I just add power 3, it become hard already, guys. Okay. So next one. Yeah. Actually, the concept is like that. Okay, if you guys can think like that, it's good. Okay. So for this question, guys, they tell you this is the curve. Okay, ini adalah lengkung dia. So X is the, A is the X intercept and B is the turning point. Okay, so they want you to find H and K. Okay, cari nilai H dan K. So, very simple. You can substitute, right, guys? X equal to 1, Y equal 0. Am I right? Because this point is on the curve, correct? Titik A di atas lengkung. So, 0 equal to 1 cube minus H1 square plus K. So 0 equal to 1 minus H plus K. So this is your first equation lah, guys. Persamaan pertama. H minus 1. First equation. Okay. Second equation. You focus on point B, guys. Point B is the turning point, right? Titik pusingan. So guys, titik pusingan, apa kata kunci dia? All of you. Turning point, you must do what? Come on. If you still remember differentiation. Turning point. Yes. dy dx equal to 0, guys. Remember. Titik pusingan, inilah konsep dia. Okay, so means that your 3x square minus, you must differentiate lah. 3x square minus 2hx equal to 0. This is the concept. Okay, what is the x value, guys, that you substitute? X substitute with what? Anyone? Yeah, you substitute with the coordinate here lah, which is 2. Okay, gantikan x sama dengan 2. So you guys can find the h value. So h is equal to how much? Negative 4h is negative 12. So h sama dengan 3. Done. Y, you need to know the value of y, guys. Tak perlu tahu nilai y. Understand lah? Because turning point is always in term of x. Titik pusingan ungkapan dia selalu dalam x. Because I'm doing dy over dx. dy over dx means I differentiate an equation in term of x. Saya bezakan persamaan dalam sebutan x. Faham? Persamaan y dalam sebutan x. Okay? And then you guys, why? Because your gradient is 0, guys. Can you see here? M kamu kosong kan kat titik B. So M2 adalah dy dx. So dy dx sama dengan kosong. Faham? Okay. dy dx, remember guys, is the gradient, kecerunan. So kita compare kecerunan. Okay. Alright. So now, nilai H3 kan? So kamu ganti kat sini lah. 3 minus 1. So your answer for K is 2. Done. Itu saja. Simple right guys? Who say admaths very hard? Siapa kata admaths susah? Senang kan? H is 3, K is 2. Simple right? I'm not simply bragging guys. Saya tak menunjuk admaths tu senang tak. I'm using the concept. I'm still teaching you guys well. And still it's easy. Masih senang. So means that it's really easy lah guys. Memang senang. If you guys understand the concept. Kalau faham konsep dia, very easy lah guys. Okay? Alright. Next one. Section C guys. Last one. Last section for today. Okay. Section C, you guys must only do 2 questions. 2 soalan. Okay, so you guys tell me what question you want me to discuss. Okay, this one is question 12, SOT. This one is 13, index. And then this one is 14, which is index also. You guys comment 2 numbers lah. 2 nombor. Okay, 13 index, 14 also index, 15 SOT. Okay, because so far I can only put SOT index. The rest is form 5. Okay. Okay, so combination, bagi tahu saya 2 nombor. You want SOT, index, ataupun campur. 1 SOT, 1 index. I think better if 1 SOT, 1 index, right? Okay, so what number? 15 or 12 for SOT? Mana yang kamu nak? 15. 12. Okay, actually 12 is a harder one guys. 12 tu lebih susah. You guys can see the working lah. 12 is actually a K-bar for SOT. Okay, so we try this lah since K-bar. Okay, so 12 and index, you guys want which one? 13 or 14? 13 atau 14 index based on the question. 14 so we do 14 lah. 12 and 14. Okay, so we see question 12. Okay, so for this one, the concept actually got mixed lah guys. They ask you to find X, Y, Z. So guys, you see 3 unknown, right? 3 pun boleh ubah. So you guys must think and see what is the concept over here. Okay, so first step, you just label AB is X, AC is Y, BC is Z. So label saja. BAC 120, BAC 120. Okay, label. Then shortest distance A to BC. Okay guys, when they say shortest distance, right? Jarak terpendek. Jarak terpendek sama dengan apa? What quantity? Shortest distance is actually what? You guys must know this concept in SOT. Shortest distance means they are talking about no. They are talking about, start with H guys. H. No, not hypotenuse. Yes, the answer is height guys. Ketinggian. Ingat, jarak terpendek maksudnya ketinggian. Okay, so jarak terpendek kat mana guys? Kat sini lah. Cuba nampak. So this is your height, right? Ketinggian. Am I right? Because BC is horizontal, mendata. So that is your height. Okay, and the value is 3.71 meter. So you guys got a lot of information already. Okay, all right. And then they tell you point B extended to B prime. Okay, point B dia nak extend kepada B prime. Okay, so this one never mind. Jangan lihat lagi. The rest. Okay, ratio of area. Okay, so kamu kena bandingkan luas jugalah. Okay, you must compare the area of triangle. Okay, so this one actually mixed with ambiguous case, correct? So guys, where is the ambiguous case over here? What do you guys think? Okay, so you guys can actually draw it like this. Okay, this is actually your ambiguous case, guys. Okay, case by ambiguity. All right. So, how come it is ambiguous? Because you can see that the lengths will be the same. Wait, let me see. Okay, this length y over 5. Because you see over here, whenever you guys see a symbol like this, right, in admaths, when you see a symbol like B prime, apa-apa yang ada pelengkap tu, usually is ambiguous. Case by ambiguity. All right. So means that you can actually form another triangle that is similar. The concept is actually isosceles triangle, guys. You must remember that. Concept is segitiga kaki sama. All right. So you guys need to find where is the isosceles triangle over here. Kat mana dia? Okay, yes, correct. The two sides will actually be the same one. Okay, so if you guys focus on ABC first, you just focus on ABC first. This one. Okay, this triangle. Okay, so guys, what rule can you use over here? Anyone? Apa petua yang kamu boleh guna? No, you don't have angle. Is ABC isosceles? No. X and Y, guys, nilai dia berbeza. Cannot. No, not heaven. We don't have area, guys. Kita tak ada luas. Yes, cosine rule, right, guys? You guys boleh guna petua cosinus. Am I right? Not panic formula. Just use cosine rule. Can you see, guys? You got three side and one angle. Remember, 3 sisi satu sudut. Selalu boleh guna petua cosinus. Okay, 3 side, 1 angle. So directly, you already get one equation. Can you see that? Kamu sudah ada satu persamaan. And then, okay, common sense, guys. You got 3 variable. If 3 variable, you need how many equation to solve? 3 pemboleh ubah perlu berapa persamaan? 3 kan? So you guys still need 2 more. This is number 1. Masih perlu 2 lagi. So macam mana dapat? How to get 2 more? Okay, you guys must use this information. Ratio of area of these two triangle is 1 to 4. So area, half AB sin C kan? So BB prime, Y over 5. So you guys can actually form the area. Okay, so you can actually find the area of this triangle, half XY sine 120. Am I right? Half AB sin C formula. And then you can also find the triangle. You can find the area of this triangle, but different formula. Half times base times height. Correct, guys? Setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. So half times 3.71. Tadi sudah bagi. And your tapak is Z, right? So guys, these two should actually be the same, right? Because both of these calculate area, right? Dua-dua kira luas. So can you see they equalize it? Dia samakan. Because it's the same formula. So now you already got another equation. Satu lagi persamaan. ZXY. Okay, you need one more. Kena ada satu lagi. Okay, so this come to this information. Kamu boleh guna yang ni for your third equation. No need compare, guys. You just need to form 3 equation now. Don't compare yet. You just form 3 equation in term of X, Y, Z. Then simultaneous lah. System of equation you guys belajar kan? 3 pemboleh ubah. How to solve. You use that concept lah. Okay? Alright. So now, BB prime C. What is the area, guys, of this triangle? Yang merah. How to find? Okay, you guys can actually find this angle. Am I right? Okay, so you guys see over here. Okay, so area of ABC. Wait. Let me see. ABC. Okay, so the concept is, okay, this is a good question actually. Okay, guys, you guys must be careful a bit. Okay, they tell you this one, the ratio is 1. Am I right? And this one, the total is 4. Correct? Jumlah nisbah luas 4 total. So guys, if I just talk about this triangle, the black color one, how much? May I know? Yeah, it's 3, right? 4 minus 1 is 3. So means that I can just use that triangle itself. Am I right? I can use half XY sine 120 because I have the information over there. Am I right? Info saya ada kat segitiga ni. Yang segitiga ni saya tak ada info. Am I right? So that's why saya guna yang ni. Saya tak guna yang bawah. Faham? Use the triangle which ada info. Okay? And then the total jumlah, you can also use the big triangle, the one that is 4, 4. So you see over here, the blue color triangle. So this is X plus Y over 5. This is Y 120. Half AB sin C, guys. Boleh guna sekali lagi. Can you see? So again, you press calculator for sin 120. Just tekan, you will get the answer. Okay. So you will actually see that you can simplify. Okay, Y and Y boleh potong. So half and half boleh potong. So you guys left with this one. Can you see that, guys? Nampak? So you already have your third equation. Persamaan yang ketiga. So what to do, guys? Substitute lah. Gantikan. Am I right? Substitute Y is 5 over 3X inside here and also inside here. Gantikan kat dua tempat. So that you got Z in term of X. Z dalam sebutan X. Actually simple only, guys. Senang saja. You guys just need to substitute. Guys, this question I simply put for you in section C1. Usually SPM they don't ask like this. SPM dia takkan tanya macam soalan macam ni, SOT. But I simply put, sengaja letak satu soalan kebat bagi kamu. Faham tak? I just simply put to see whether you guys can get the concept. That's why I put it under choosing lah. You guys feel hard, then don't choose lah. Okay, this is why we should love AdMaths, because loving isn't easy too. Yeah, you want to find another partner in your life, also very hard, right, guys? Nak cari orang lain pun susah. So at least you try to love something lah, guys. Cuba sayangi AdMaths sebelum sayangi orang yang lain. So love AdMaths first. Okay? No. They won't do permutation and combination. Okay. So this one. So now you got Z in term of X, right, guys? So Z in term of X, I can substitute over here, right, guys? Saya boleh ganti semua Z dengan X and semua Y dengan X. Correct? So the whole equation now is in term of X. Am I right? Seluruh persamaan yang pertama tu dalam X sekarang. Because Y equal 5 over 3X, Z equal to 0.38905 X squared. So gantilah. And then you guys solve. You solve. You guys will get X equal to 6. And then you substitute, cari nilai Y, substitute, cari nilai Z. So your answer is 6, 10, 14. Understand, guys? Do you get the concept of this question? Actually, not hard one. Tak susah. Okay, the most important thing is you must know how to form the equation, guys. Kamu kena tahu cara bentuk persamaan. That's all. Just know how to form the equation is enough already. Okay? Can, guys? No problem on this one? Feedback? Are you clear? Fully clear? Okay? This one all algebra only, guys. Yang ni semua algebra. Senang saja. Very simple. How come 3 over 4? You mean this one? Just now I explained, guys. 3 over 4 is because the total over here is 4, right? Untuk satu segitiga, the ratio is 4. Correct? Because question say, can you see here? A, B, C prime is 4. Can you see that? And then B, B prime C is 1. So, over here must be 3, right? Because total is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. That's why 3 over 4. So, means I change the formula to the triangle that I want. Saya tukar formula untuk segitiga yang saya ada info. Faham tak? So, I'm focusing on this black color triangle and I'm focusing on the red color triangle only. The black and the red. That's all. Clear? Means this one I don't do anything lah, guys. Segitiga ni tak perlu guna. This one no need. Okay? Clear? Alright. Okay, so now come to the index, guys. Question number 14. Last one. Soalan terakhir hari ni. Okay. So for this question, guys, they ask you to find the price index of material Q. Harga index Q 2021 berasaskan 2020. Okay, very simple. 2022 720, 2021 782. Okay. Alright. So 2021 based on 2020. Okay. So kamu kena cari yang ni lah, guys. Okay. So how? Macam mana? How am I going to solve this? Okay. So you don't have the price for 2020, right, guys? Kamu tak ada nilai dia untuk 2020. So how? Anyone got idea? How to solve this question? Macam mana? Anyone? Come on, think and see how to get the price index. Harga index dia macam mana? 2021 based on 2020. The only information you have is 165 over here. So anyone? Come on, think and see how to solve it. Yeah, what is the concept, guys? You must tell me the concept. What formula or what should I do over here? Chain rule. Let me think. Okay. Okay. Can? Because you guys see got 3 years, right? Ada 3 tahun. So yes, boleh. Petua rantai. Any other simpler way? Ada kaedah lebih senang tak? Q1 over Q2? No. Is Q2 over Q1? Yes. P2 over P21 over P20 times 100 equal to 720. No, not 720. You must equal to index, guys. You don't know what is the index now. So, you guys see over here. Got value, right, guys? Ada nilai kan? So, automatic, you know the answer is 180. But, if you use this method, right, is it safe? Adakah dia selamat? And the question is 3 marks, you know, guys. Definitely no, right? Okay, not that easy, am I right? Okay, so how you going to do it? Okay, so you guys must actually use this method. Okay, so the first step, you guys can find the price in 2020, guys. Okay, cari harga 2020. Yes, correct, Violet Chan. Okay, nothing in AdMaths is easy one. Okay, so you see this one, guys. Price 2022 based on 2020. So you guys use this information. Okay, this information 165. So 165 equal to P22 over P20 times 100. Setuju, guys? This is the formula, right? P2022 over P2020. And 2022 dia ada harga kan? Dia already tell you 720. Am I right? So 165 equal to 720 over P20 times 100. So you can find the answer, right, guys? Boleh cari jawapan. Tadi kamu tak ada info ni kan? So kamu boleh dapat dah sekarang. You can find the information. So your answer is 4.36. Okay? So then you guys just guna P21 over P20 times 100. Then boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, because question asks you 2021 based on 2020. So just substitute lah. 2021, 782. 7.82 over 4.36 times 100. You get the answer. Jelas? So you must use the formula twice lah, guys. Kena buat 2 kali. Okay? So your answer is 179.35. So that's why I say, guys, you cannot assume it's 180. Tak boleh anggap dia sama dengan yang ni. Can you see? It's different. Sedikit lah. Slightly different. Alright? If you round off, 180 lah. But you cannot round off. Okay? Tak boleh bundakan. Okay? Alright. So next one. But yeah, must be accurate lah, guys. AdMaths, you must be accurate in the answer. Okay? Alright. So guys, can you all tell me what is the index if they say increase 50%, 15%? Anyone? Yeah, automatically you know the answer is 115. Correct? So now they ask you find the M. Cari nilai M. Okay, so material arm. Automatically you get the answer lah, guys. That is what they are looking for. Wait. Oh, no. This one is 2022 based on 2021. Okay, M is 2022 and 2020. Okay, so chain rule lah, guys. You must use chain rule. Okay, so the question is they want 2022 over 2020. This is your M value, nilai M. So you take 2022 over 2021 times 2021 over 2020 times 100. Remember, kamu kena darab 100. Okay, because the formula of index is actually times 100 at the end. Okay, so you guys just need to substitute all the answers lah. Okay, just gantikan. So you guys can see the working over here. Just substitute both of your index, divide 100. So your answer is 149.50. Okay, jelas guys? So 130 is your index of this one, 130 for this one, and 115 is the answer over here. Jelas guys? How you guys use chain rule? Are you clear? The petua rantai. So you just take two index times them, divide 100. Then you get the answer. Okay? No problem? Can or not? I need some word from you. Jelas so far. Still can tahan. Two more questions only guys. Come on. Okay, dua soalan lagi. Okay, so they say price difference for material R in 2022 and 2020 is as much as 2. Okay, beza dia 2 lah. And they want you to find the price in 2022. Okay, so shouldn't be that tough. Okay, so P 2020 untuk R kita tak ada. No information. So you can use the index lah. Kamu boleh guna jawapan B1. Am I right? Okay, so B1 you guys get the answer is 149.5, right? And you guys can make assumption. Buat anggapan. Okay, because they say the difference is 2, right? Beza 2. And they tell you that 2022 should be higher lah. Okay, common sense guys. 2022 and 2020, which price should be higher? You guys think? Between these 2 years, 2 tahun ni, mana akan lebih tinggi? Yeah, of course 2022 lah guys. This one is higher, this one is lower. That's why the index is above 100. Kalau index dia lebih 100 means harga dia meningkat, is increasing. Okay, so P2022 kena lambda, and P20 must be lambda minus 2. Means this one is lower, this one is higher. Okay, jelas? So then just use the formula lah guys. Guna rumus index harga price index. Okay, so P 2022 over P20 times 100 equal to jawapan tadi. This is also your P 2022 over P20 times 100. Same value. Okay, M value lah. Okay, jelas guys soalan ni? Alright, for part 3, no problem. Okay, last one Okay, so for part C, okay, very simple this one. They ask you, composite index 2021 on 2020 is 143. Okay, and they tell you this one guys. Okay, when they tell you ratio guys, ratio means what? In index, nisbah tu maksudnya apa? Dalam konteks index. Yes, remember guys, ratio is always your weightage pemberat. Okay, so remember your composite index formula. Okay, so very simple tadi. 2021 based on 2020. So, kamu kena guna semua nilai yang ni. All this value. Okay, so your question is find K. Kamu kena cari nilai K. Yes, correct. If question don't tell you any weightage, remember guys, you must assume it is 1. Kalau soalan tak bagi nilai pemberat, kena anggap 1 untuk semua bahan. Okay, maksudnya P1, Q1, R1 macam tu. Okay, every single thing is 1. Okay, take note sometimes question dia tak boleh bagi, dia takkan bagi pemberat. They won't tell you weightage. So this is the concept. Okay, alright. So now, so you guys just use composite index formula lah. Okay, guna rumus dia. So it's the sum of index times weightage over sum of weightage. Ini rumus dia. Okay, so you guys just need to times index and weightage. Okay, kali saja index dan pemberat bahagi jumlah pemberat, total weightage. Then you guys selesaikan the equation, find the K value. So this is your K answer guys. Understand? Sigma weightage. Yeah, sigma. The symbol is sigma guys. The name of the symbol. This symbol over here. This one also is called sigma. Dua-dua pun nama dia sama. Okay, both of it is sigma. Okay, this one is capital S. This one is small s. This is the difference guys. In Greek, dalam huruf Greek. Yang ni adalah huruf besar S, yang ni adalah huruf kecil s. Faham? So both of it is also sigma. Okay? Alright. Understand? You also speak skibidi. You telling me, is it? Violet Chan. You telling me skibidi? Really? Okay. Nowadays generation all okay. Isn't yeah. The symbol is called standard deviation, but it is sigma. The name is sigma. This is for standard deviation. Sisian piawai. Betul. But the name is sigma. Okay. Is this 08 or 18? 08 or 18? What are you guys talking about? Don't understand. 08 or 18? Oh, Gen Z. Yeah, correct. Oh, you're calling Kavin. Okay. Okay, so Kavin, got a person call you Skibidi Eddie. All right. Okay. Understand, guys? So do you get the question over here? Clear? No problem. Okay. So basically done lah, guys. Paper 2 sudah habis. Kertas 2. Okay. All right. So anyone of you over here new, first time join? Can you all tell me who over here first time join the class? Siapa kat sini first time? Okay, Kai, please give the information. Mr. Kai, I need your help. Personal assistant, Kai. I know some people simply telling first time. Can I know? Oh, this paper actually is not trial paper one. I combine a few state and make the question. Okay, guys. So for those first time join, you must PM my WhatsApp number if you want to join my WhatsApp group lah. Okay, kalau nak join group saya, boleh PM yang ni. Okay? Why you sad, Violet? Why got sad face? What happened? Something happened to you, is it? Stress, Eddie, after you learn so much at maths. Guys, 2 hours at maths, you guys feel tired lah? Rasa letih tak? Macam ni. Feel tired lah. Guys, you must have high mental strength. Okay, high mental strength. I'm so scared trial Sonia. Do more question, guys. Like what I discussed with you, do more of that. Why everyone scared suddenly, guys? Trial still got time. July 14, really? Trial July 14, I thought August. Oh, Amali. Okay. Amali don't count lah, guys. Don't count all that. Count the first written paper. Ujian yang pertama bertulis. Not all that. Okay. For me, the real start is when you write the first paper. Okay. Scary. This is the motivation for you guys to study. Am I right? I'll call your number before 999. Wow. So good. Okay. Remember my number, guys. 017-966-0510. Next time I change my number to 999 also lah. So that easier. I see you before I see God. Why? Don't so dramatic lah, guys. Okay? Don't so dramatic. My advanced paper after this holiday. Oh yeah. When holiday start, guys? What date is the holiday? I know it's coming. Oh, tomorrow. Oh, okay. So last day of school. Oh, not Friday. Mine is tomorrow, but I have tambahan class. Oh, okay. I see. What school is this? Violet. Wow, all this school got class tambahan. What school all this? Got class tambahan. Suddenly. SMK Delma Police. Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. 8-1. What is lab? Oh, 8-1. Okay. SMJK Tinggi Cina Melaka. Okay. Understand. Well, actually, I didn't notice you're from police, Violet. Oh, okay. Interesting. Because not many people actually from police. I have 8 hours. Bio is okay, right? Guys, if I tell you you got 8 hours of admits, what you guys will say? Kalau 8 jam mathematics tambahan. Confirm collapse, right? I used to be from KL, but I've transferred. Oh, okay. So how is the life in police? Nothing much to do, right? We will start to love admits for being admits. It was different. Oh, I see. Understand. Bandar to village. But why you change, What is the reason? Change from KL to police? How does it feel from rich to downgraded? My mom scared COVID. Your mom scared COVID? When was this? During COVID time, is it? Oh, okay, understand. Makes sense. Oh, okay. Scared COVID to police. Yeah, that's right. Because police very small, what? So, yeah. Come back KL, too much China problem. China problem, What is the problem? From which state? Oh, China, okay. I'll come next year. Come Penang. I'm from Penang. Very nearby only. Penang to police. Makan too much random things. Oh, okay. So now you're blaming China lah for creating COVID. Is it? Oh, okay. Guys, what if I told you that COVID was not created in China? Will you believe that? There are some sources that say that COVID actually didn't come from China. It actually come from another country. Do you know that? It's just not India lah. Not India. Another country. Somewhere in Europe. So sometimes don't always believe the news lah, guys, because you know what they will do, right? Always the media, they will try to favor the West. Am I right? Media dia suka sokong orang Barat. So all the media will criticize the Asian country one. Always. That's how it works. Media. They will always support the West. They will criticize Asia one. Always like that. So sometimes you cannot believe everything lah. Tak boleh percaya 100%. 50% can believe lah. I might get COVID if I step a foot there. You won't lah. Now all okay already. All back to normal. I'm Indian. I'm never going India. Then COVID have vaccine already. Yeah, that's why. Correct. Nowadays all modern already lah, guys. All this nothing lah. All normal flu only. Nothing so big. Just demam biasa saja. But when it come time, it was big lah. Go to India is okay. I'm from Penang. Information, I'm from Penang. Yeah. The place with the best food in Malaysia. Agree, right? Penang has the best food in Malaysia. I eat one food from India, next thing you know, I'll be in the ICU. Kavin, you must know one thing. You must know what to eat and where. Even if you eat a food in Malaysia, right? You can also go to ICU. Do you know that? It depends where you eat from. If you eat from the stall beside a longkang, even though in Malaysia, you will still kena food poisoning. Am I right? Not only India. Must have sense, guys. Kena guna otak. Bila makan di tempat yang sesuai. Don't simply go and eat anywhere you like. It's not the country. It's what you do. Dia bukan soal negara. Any negara also. Even you go to the most modern country, you go to USA, let's say, and you eat the food beside the longkang, you will still masuk ICU. Then you say why? Because USA is a dirty country. Am I right? You will say USA tu sangat buruk. But it's your action. Kamu punya tindakan salah. Understand guys? Your action wrong, you go and blame one whole country. That is wrong, right? It's your problem, not country problem. Am I right? Who help cook, sir, so we can eat? You cannot eat me. Impossible. It's wrong for them to sell it. Sell what? What do you mean? Is it too late if I want to be? Wait, guys, got more important question. Beginner from basic before enter another chapter at math. Yes. If begin, I mean, not too late. It's not late. You try to revise your Form 4 first. Because if you feel like your Form 5 not strong, right, guys, at maths, you try to go strengthen your Form 4 first. Because Form 4 got more question will come out in maths. Form 4 got 10 topics. Form 5 got 6 only. I never count 7 and 8 lah. So only 6 topic. So 10 versus 6, more marks are in Form 4. More marks will come from Form 4 topic. So you focus Form 4 well, this 10 topic, right? You score well, can already get credit and above. Confirm. Yeah. 7 and 8 is easier. Depends on you lah, guys. Some people say 9 and 10 easier. Some people say 7, 8 easier. Depend. Form 4 important since got to, yes, correct. So when you master Form 4, right, automatically Form 5 you will be good. I'm not good at it. What do you get for AdMaths? Violet Chan. What's your grade? Share to me lah, guys. Your grade. At least I know what is your standard. Okay, never mind. I stop recording first so that I don't need to read out first. Wait, AdMaths GG. Wait, guys. Stop recording first. Later I don't want all this to enter the recording.